Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial today is dedicated to help you remove the adware type application called Product Launcher. Product Launcher is the adware type application that is from the adload family, by the way. This particular adware, you see, is attacking Mac computers only. Now, the adware called Product Launcher, once installed, may start to display the huge portion of pretty intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. Often it attacks Safari browser, so you need to check your preferences in Safari, and if you find any suspicious extensions here, get rid of them. Also, you may find this application among your Mac software, so if you find it, move it to the trash. Finally, I recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner antivirus that can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start investigating your device with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.